Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping, clear space and wear gloves. Remove inserts and the rubber gasket. Look for hardened residue and tiny dents where steam contacts. Once removed, clean visible rust with a paste of baking soda and water. Scrub gently with a soft brush so you don't scratch the steel. Use pliers to lift stuck vents or tabs and keep small parts in a tray. This step ensures you see the real problem rather than masking it with grime or trapped food debris. Once done with the initial clean, soak trays and lid for 15 to 30 minutes in a 1-to-1 vinegar and water solution to loosen scale. Make sure to rinse and neutralize with baking soda afterward to stop corrosion. For mild rust, use fine steel wool very lightly. You're restoring surface finish, not removing metal. If trays are slightly warped, place on a flat block and tap with a rubber mallet to reform the rim. Proceed gradually so you don't create new stress points. You're near the finish. Dry everything thoroughly and fit a new gasket if the old one is cracked. This guarantees a proper steam seal and prevents pressure loss. Reassemble inserts and hand-tighten clamps. Apply a thin oil film to the gasket seating for easier closure. Now test with 1 cup of water. Bring to steam and watch for uneven escape or hissing. If you still see leaks, tighten clamps, reseat inserts, or replace the warped lid section. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.